Today I'd like to show how to use a new app called CIS Row Color. So once you have the app installed, you can open up Capture and open up your EMA apps menu in the accessories. Today I'd like to talk about a new app called CIS Row Color. So once you have that installed, you can open up Orchid Capture CIS, go to your accessories menu, EMA apps, and choose CIS Row Color. What this app enables us to do is to be able to identify components with specific field values in various colors, which helps us to really identify them when you're looking at the CIS Explorer window. So for example, let's choose a really good example to use here is company part status. So I'm going to go ahead and use this. We'll do one as an example. And for the value, I'm just going to use review. It could be anything you want. These could be obsolete, could be active or released, anything like that that makes sense for you. If I wanted to continue, I could continue adding rows with field operators and values. In this case, I'm just going to use one. In my choose text and fill color area, you could choose to color the text. This works well if you have a very intense color background and you need to perhaps change the text to white to be able to read it. In my case, I'm just going to use the fill background and I'm going to choose a solid color. And once I've done that, I can add this to my saved rules, which will be applied during the Capture startup. Now, once you have a number of rules already defined, you can come in and check those by choosing the Saved Rules view. So you can say I already have a couple of other things that have been defined. If I needed to at this point delete something, I can remove it here. It would give me opportunities to delete things and redo them if I needed to. For now, I'm going to go ahead and close this, and let's take a look how this behaves inside of CIS Explorer. So if we look at my company part status, we can see the values that are attached to these particular components are showing up very, very nicely based on the color choices that I have for the background. So these enable you and your team to spot these items very quickly when they open up CIS Explorer. And that's how you can use the CIS Row Color app.